Hello and welcome to TVC News. The arbitral award of $9.6 billion by a UK court in favor of Process and Industrial Development Limited against Nigeria is continuing to generate reactions. Beyond the economic impact of these judgments, concerns have also been raised on its impact on Nigeria's diplomatic and bilateral relations with the United Kingdom. Should the fine be enforced? Correspondent Mayor Thomas reports on this.
There has been some disquiet in the public space since the news broke of an arbitrary judgment against Nigeria in the United Kingdom to the tune of $9.6 billion. The court granted permission to P&ID to begin enforcement of the award in the United Kingdom. It means the company could seize any commercial asset of Nigeria up to $9.6 billion and other accruing costs. The Nigerian government has tried to calm its citizens by reassuring them it will re-enter another negotiation with the company to find common grounds of settlement.
The enforcement of the award cannot even commence now because the judge in the UK court ordered that the P&ID cannot enforce the judgment against Nigeria until after the court resumes from its current vacation.
We feel that there is need for comprehensive criminal investigation for the purpose of identifying what are the undertones, whether the undertones are indeed criminal or they are not.
If P&ID was to carry out the enforcement, as it were, Nigeria's foreign reserves stored up in the United Kingdom could be at stake. Nigeria has an undisclosed amount in pound sterling, dollars and gold stored in the United Kingdom. Also at risk of being seized are oil vessels owned by the NNPC used to supply crude oil to countries that patronize Nigeria, such as India, United States, Spain, South Africa, and other African countries. Naval warships stationed outside the country for combat purposes when needed could also be at risk. $9.6 billion is a large proportion of Nigeria's foreign reserve. It is about 20% of the reserves, which stands at about $48 billion, and its loss could adversely affect Nigeria's economic fortunes and bring untold hardship to Nigeria's almost 200 million citizens. With the country just out of recession last year, enforcement of an arbitration of this magnitude can plunge the economy back into recession and affect the country's debt rating, with a debt profile already at about $81 billion. To avoid this and its attendant embarrassment, Nigeria has said it would also seek a diplomatic resolution to this issue. The United Kingdom is a strategic partner to Nigeria. It in fact sees Nigeria as a strong trading partner in the near future. Many countries are currently courting Nigeria as a trade prospect. This is largely due to Nigeria's population, which is estimated to reach over 400 million by 2050 and make it the third largest in the world. With all this, it is more likely that a diplomatic angle to resolving these issues will work in favor of Nigeria rather than a legal one. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.